What's up, y'all? I am getting ready to make some pancakes, and I didn't have any hemp milk, so I am going to make some now. And this is what I'm starting with. These are the ingredients. This is everything that I need. Oh no, wait, guys, we're missing the two most important ingredients: agave, bomb, and hemp seeds. And these I got, this time I got the red mill. I got this at Lucky's for I think $13. Usually I get the Badia brand. And I seem to get a lot more from the Badia brand. I think the Badia brand is 16 ounces or so, or maybe a little bit more, and this is 12. So yeah, this is all you need to make hemp milk. I'm about to whip this up real quick. That way I can make my pancakes. And then I will also have another video on that. Or you can make my delicious, delicious, delicious pancakes, alkaline pancakes. So here we go. So making hemp milk is really simple, guys. Super, super simple, super easy, super quick. So we're going to use 4 cups of water today. I like using 4 cups just because it's, big enough to fit in the mason jar. So for every 2 cups of water, you're going to use 1 cup of hemp seed. So I have 1 cup of hemp seed here. And then I'm just going to fill it up again to do my other cup. And I didn't think that I had a full cup with what I had left, but I do. So we in there. So we're going to use this other cup and pour that in there. And I'm just going to actually pour half or a little bit. Just keep a little bit because I want to sprinkle some of my pancakes when I'm done. Now you can use walnuts. What else? You can use coconut. It would be the same exact way. I love using hemp milk though, hemp seed to make hemp milk. It seems to make it more like creamy for me. I like coconut milk too though. And you can use date sugar, you can use agave to sweeten it. I'm using agave this time. A lot of times I'm always with dates because I love dates. I love dates with walnut butter. Oh my gosh. But I didn't have any dates. I ate it all. So I'm using agave to sweeten. Now people use vanilla extract. If you want to add allspice in it, if you want to add anything else in the milk, you can and just blend it up. But sometimes the people add a little bit of salt too. Now I'm just gonna blend it up good. And I like putting it on liquefy and blend just so I can make sure it's getting down all those seeds and it'll be more creamy. And now look, it looks just like regular milk. You cannot even tell the difference, and it's so good. I like trying it, just tasting it a bit and just being like, I just did this. Yes, so quick. And it's so good and healthy for you and mucus free, alkaline, upful. Now we're just going to strain it. Now you can use a milk bag. I usually use a milk bag, but I couldn't find it. So I'm using a strainer, which that's perfectly fine. When you use the strainer, a lot of times you'll end up using your spoon to kind of like smush it down and squeeze out more of the milk that's in there. The same way that you would with the milk bag, that you squeeze the milk bag. But the strainer is simple too, and it's faster to clean up. So we're going to use this strainer. It's a little strainer. So I hope it doesn't fall on me. Now we're just gonna pour that out. So you see, as it's coming out, the hemp seeds are coming out as well onto the strainer. So it's filling it up. So you just shake it a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm still trying to get my English accent down pat. It's not working. So you see how it's starting to get clumped up. I like keeping that to put in my pancakes, to put in my smoothies, breads, whatever I want to put any, hemp seed type of dough, I guess. I use it. Don't want to waste anything. So just keep on shaking it, keep on straining it. And now that it is all strained, you can strain it twice if you'd like to even, to even make it more smooth. Or you can even blend it for a second time, but that's too much to do. But you can definitely strain it for a second time and make sure it's smooth. Store it into a mason jar rather than anything plastic. A glass jar, mason jar is perfectly fine. And this will last a good 3 to 4 days. You can put it in your pancakes, you can put it in your smoothies, you can put it into anything really that you would put in regular milk. You can use it for cereal. It tastes just like milk. It's sweet depending on what you put in it. You milk strawberries. Ooh, you can blend strawberries with this and then strain it. Oh my gosh, amazing. So catch y'all later. Super easy to do. And when you guys make it, tag me at Upful Blends on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of that. So I'll see y'all later. If you haven't already watched my other videos and my video from Usha Village and my experience down there, check it out, vibe with me, and much love always.